Imagine turning your kitchen scraps, banana peels, coffee grounds, apple cores, into powerful fertilizer right at home. That's the magic of vermicomposting, or worm farming. With special composting worms, you transform food waste into black gold, nutrient-rich compost for your garden. Instead of tossing scraps, you create natural fertilizer that helps your plants thrive. No synthetic chemicals needed. Anyone can do it, even in small spaces. All you need is a bin, some worms, and a little know-how. Ready to start? Let's dive in and learn how to set up your own worm farm and turn waste into black gold. To start vermicomposting, you'll need a worm bin, a cozy home for your composting crew. Buy a stackable worm tower, or make your own from an opaque plastic tote, 10-20 gallons in size. Drill holes in the bottom for drainage and along the sides and lid for airflow. Good ventilation keeps things fresh and odor-free. Add moistened bedding, shredded newspaper, cardboard, or coconut coir until the bin is 3/4 full. Add red wigglers on top, they'll burrow down on their own. Keep the bin in a cool, shady spot, between 55 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you're ready to feed your worms and watch them turn scraps into compost. Worms love fruit and veggie scraps, apple cores, banana peels, lettuce, coffee grounds, and crushed eggshells. Chop scraps into small pieces to help them break down faster. Avoid meat, dairy, oily foods, citrus, onions, and garlic. These cause odors and attract pests. Feed in moderation. Too much food leads to smells and unhappy worms. Bury scraps in different spots under the bedding to keep things tidy. Wait until most of the last feeding is gone before adding more. As your worm population grows, so will their appetite. If the bin gets too wet, add dry newspaper or cardboard. Keep the balance right, and your worms will be healthy, efficient recyclers. Next, let's harvest your garden's new superfood. After a few months, your worm bin will be full of dark, crumbly worm castings, nature's black gold for your plants. Packed with nutrients and beneficial microbes, these castings are one of the best natural fertilizers you can use. To harvest, feed only one side of the bin for a few weeks. The worms will move to the food-rich side, leaving behind nearly worm-free castings. Scoop out the finished compost, then add fresh bedding and start feeding there to keep your bin healthy. Now sprinkle your castings around plants or mix them into soil. With regular use, your garden will thrive. Mix worm castings into soil or potting mix, about 1 part castings to 4 parts soil, for a nutrient boost. Sprinkle castings as a top dressing around established plants, and gently work them into the soil. Water in to release nutrients and beneficial microbes to the roots. Brew worm tea by soaking castings in water for 24 hours. Use as a liquid fertilizer for instant results. Worm farming is a small step with a big impact: healthier plants, less waste, and a greener world. Start with one bin, learn the rhythm, and watch your kitchen scraps become garden gold. As you gain confidence, add more bins and share the magic. The journey from food waste to thriving plants is rewarding and sustainable. Join the movement, start your own worm farm today.